Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of clicking on this channel, thank you so much. My name is Indy. I am a family nurse practitioner, and I'm pretty sure, as you can tell from the title of this video, yesterday the devil is a liar. Yesterday, like 30 of my videos got deleted, and this is something you work so hard for. Everyone knows, like anybody knows, that anything that you put your mind to do and you want to make sure that it is successful, you put everything in it. I'm sorry, to make sure that it is, it is good. Of course, when you first start, initially it might not be the best, but as you go on, you should be constantly improving every day. So yesterday I was trying to upload a video, and I noticed that it was taking too long to upload, which I later on find out that it was my fault. I had reset everything on my computer, but I forgot to, when I put Final Cut Pro back on my laptop, I forgot to change the settings to how YouTube wants it. So it was kind of hard for, it was taking too long for the video. It wasn't on MP4. I forgot about that. So it was taking so long, like several hours, for this video to upload, the video that is coming out, supposed to come out tomorrow. So I was wondering why it was taking so long. So I wanted to delete it and start all over. So I clicked on that particular video to delete, and I made sure that I clicked on that video and it said one video selected. So I said okay, because when you delete something from YouTube, you can't get it back. So I made sure that it was that one video that I selected, and I deleted it and left it alone. By the time I came back, like 30 of my videos was missing, and I was like, oh my god, did someone hack into my accounts? I have a two-step verification, so I know that it couldn't be anybody, because anytime I log in, if I want to do anything on YouTube, it always sends a message to my phone to verify that it's me. So, and I contacted YouTube just to make sure that it wasn't from their end. I looked in my email. I didn't see any email from YouTube saying that they deleted my video. So I did some research. I saw a girl on YouTube that said she deleted one of her videos, and 30 of the videos got deleted. I was like, oh my god, I hope it's not the same thing that happened to me. It's like it was a glitch on YouTube, and I don't know. So I contacted YouTube. They tried to look into it to see why. They said they didn't delete the video. So the lady said, okay, she's going to do some investigation and reach back to me. So this morning, she sent me an email, and it said that the video is not uploading because it's probably the settings. So that's when I now looked and I said, oh my gosh, she's right. This is why this video is not uploading. But the other videos that are missing, that it said I deleted the videos. And I know that there is no way I will work so hard and then delete 30 of my videos. I'm so heartbroken, even though I still have those videos on my external drive. I'm going to upload them again. So please, even if you've watched it before, please, you can watch it again. But it's not even about that. The fact that I worked so hard, and with YouTube, everything has to be on point. I don't know why this happened to me, but I know that God says that the plans that I have for you, they are plans of good, to give you an expected end, and everything that happens, there is a reason for it. So I cried, but I have decided that I'm going to take it as a lesson. Now I'm scared of deleting anything on YouTube, but I'm not going to let this stop me, because I wanted to give up, like, what am I even doing? This is too much. But then I remember that this I'm even doing is not even for me. That's the funniest part. I'm not even doing it because of me. I'm doing it because there is a reason. There is a reason why. So I don't have a choice. I have to upload those videos again. I'm going to change the contents of my channel a little bit. It's going to be mainly about Africans and nursing. That's my niche. So I'm switching up a little bit to that, and you're going to be seeing more videos about Africans and more videos about nursing in the US, different stages of nursing, and even the video that I was supposed to upload that is uploading tomorrow, that I'm uploading for tomorrow, is about Africans and nursing. So my content is going to be mostly about Africans, focus on Africans and nursing. Of course, education is still there, and anything else that God puts in my heart to do. And this is not wavering my trust in God, because I know that everything worketh out for good unto them that love the Lord. And His goodness, His mercies are new every morning. So this morning, I'm getting a brand new mercy, brand new love and grace. And I'm trusting Him that everything will work out well, that there is a reason why this happened. 30 of my videos, 30 videos. It's like I'm starting all over, and it's so weird because it deleted 30 of all my videos and left 2. I had 32 videos, left 2, and that is my welcome video, and the video that says that people should go and subscribe. So it's like it's bringing me back to square one. I'm starting all over. Even my first video, everything deleted except welcome to my channel, and please go subscribe to my channel. So if that's what God wants, then I'm going to start all over. I'm not going to let this to deter me. I'm going to start all over, and I'm going to make it work. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please go and do so. And if you see me repost my old videos, please support by watching it again. I'm going to post new ones, and during the week, every Wednesday, I'm going to post one of my old videos, and every Sunday will be a new upload. So thank you so much for all the support, for everyone that has supported me till now. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.